How to turn off Android notification. In this video, I will show you how can you easily turn off the Android notification on your device. So without any delay, let's get into it. Now the first and very easy method is to simply implement DND mode, do not disturb mode. This will stop calls and notification to arrive on your notification bar. After that, the second method is to simply go to your settings and there turn off the notification of the particular app from which you have been receiving a lot of notification. So you need to scroll below in settings and search for notification and control center. Once you click on it, you need to click on app notifications. After that, you will see a list of application, all system application and as well as the applications you have downloaded from Play Store. And there you will see the option of toggle on and off feature beside their name. So simply choose that application which has been sending a lot of notification and turn the toggle off for that notification bar. Now as you can see, some applications do not have the toggle off option because they are required on our phone to send the notification, such as security and other system applications. And that's all. That is how easily you can turn off the Android notification on your phone device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.